What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Emmanuel, this is Sabalang Outdoors, and in today's video I'm gearing up to go on my first ever camping trip 70 miles into the desert on Sea-Doos with Bob Reed from Up Lake Adventures, Bris from BA Fishing. This video is going to be filled with exploring and fishing. I'm taking you guys with me. Do not go anywhere. The world's longest boat ramp. What? Look at this thing. Look how far we have to go. Alrighty guys, so we are 20 miles up the lake and there's a floating bathroom.
We're at the Dominguez Butte floating restroom, an experience everybody has to have at least once.
So we are running 60 to 70 miles up lake. We're gonna be camping out in the middle of the desert. We're gonna be making food, just hanging out. We'll see how the day goes. Alright guys, so top back on the ski and keep going up lake. Guys, we're at the first spot. Look at this. You can see the bottom right here. We got a little rocky pile up here, and then we just have the canyons, and this is bonkers. I don't even know what to say about this. Look at this. Wow. This is sick. This is so... Oh, look, there's a bass right there. All right, guys, so we're gonna get set up and try and catch some fish. Wow, this is so crazy. Oh my gosh. First spot, no fish. We're just gonna keep heading up the lake, see what we can find. Check out where we are right now. Just weird, so different. Oh my gosh.
So this is Cathedral Canyon. We're gonna go up that canyon, up in that slot right there. And I don't think there's been any other boats in here this morning. So as always, just watch, you know, when you go around corners for oncoming traffic, but one of you guys with a GoPro should go first. It's sick. That's what Emmanuel would say is sick.
Oh my gosh. Cathedral Canyon on the Sea-Doos. We're all set, let's go. This is nuts. Check this out. Looks like I'm falling. Look at that. That's crazy. It's so glass. It looks like you're just falling. Wow. There we go. Woo. Look at that. Another smallmouth bass. Such a pretty fish. This is my first time ever catching them. Look at that red eye they have. Go ahead and send them back. Alrighty guys, we just ripped it inside of Anasazi Canyon. Another insane view. Guys, check out the bottom machine lit up with stripers. We got a micro slow pitch jig here. We use these back at home, but way bigger. I'm gonna drop it down, 30 feet of water. Gonna see what happens. They're everywhere. There we go. Oh, there we go. Wow. Oh, this is sick. Oh my God, there's a bunch of followers on them. Look at that. Where is Bris? Oh my gosh. On the slow pitch jig. That's so sick. That is so sick. My first striped bass right here in Lake Powell. Oh my God, that's so awesome. There is so much more. We're just gonna keep dropping the jig and see how many we can catch. Let's go ahead and send them back. Whew. We made it, guys. This is home for tonight. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh. So everyone's getting all set up. We got the fish pros right here. We got Bris 10 over here. Bob even has a bathroom back here. Look at that thing. But anyways, I'm gonna set up my tent. And there we go. Got our tent all set up. Oh, come on. We got our bed in here. We got our sleeping bag. Oh. Oh. It has been such a long day, guys. Now we're here at our home for the night. We're gonna fish around a little bit more. Then we're gonna make some Lake Powell lasagna, and then we're gonna crash right here in our tents. But take a look at this.
Does not get any better than this, really, you know? Come on. Come on.
The stripers are still super thick. I just pulled it off on the first drop. Whoa! Something ate it on the way down. It ate it on the way down. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get this one in the boat. Come on. Oh. Oh. Woohoo! There we go. Got that afternoon striper. I'll go ahead and send them back. What a pretty fish right there. Woo! There goes one. Oh. Oh. The stripers are on fire. Woo! Of course he wet me. There we go. There we go. Oh! This is a nice fish. Oh my gosh, this is so sick. Other stripers are coming up behind them. Oh my gosh. Get him. Look at that. This is so awesome, guys. I swear this is so awesome. We have unlimited fish on the bottom. Every time we drop down, we're just hooking up. Oh my God, this is just so crazy. Another beautiful fish. Let's go ahead and send them back. Oh, this is so sick. Check it out, guys. 23 feet of water, and we have a bunch of stripers there. But they stopped chewing. It's about 7:30. We've been fishing all day. I'm gonna head back to camp, get some dinner, and then knock out. Oh wow.
Uh-huh. Lake Powell lasagna.
That looks great. Thank you. Dinner time. Afternoon afternoon hike right off the side of Powell. Breeze almost up there. Wow. Sleeping bag engaged. Time to knock out. 70 miles into the desert. Absolutely insane day on Lake Powell, but it's also been a long day. So I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, guys, we made it through the night. What time is it? 7:30. Oh. Alrighty, guys, this video is coming to an end. We're still in the middle of nowhere, 70 miles into the desert on Lake Powell with Bob from Up Lake Adventures. Absolutely insane experience. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to know when I post, make sure you hit that post notification bell. Woo. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.